Are you sitting comfortably? Then we will begin. Welcome to the SNORE for evening rest, part of the Qi Gong for a Busy Bee series that can be done by anyone, anywhere, anytime. So taking a moment here as you journey into your evening to cross the legs or maybe take a seat in a chair, stack the palms on top of one another and bring your thumb tips together to touch. As you awaken, monk holds a pearl. With an inhale, you're elongating up through the spine, growing nice and tall, and on the exhale, softening the shoulders. And there's a really nice visualization of picturing golden sunlight pouring through that triangle shape in your lap into the lower dantian, the lower belly. As we invite a state of full relaxation for a couple more breaths. Let's prepare to transition into a heart-opening breath. Floating the arms in front of the heart, turning the palms to face out, and then on an inhale, doing the breaststroke. Swimming the arms out, and on the exhale, bringing the palms back towards the heart. Finding a nice gentle flow. Inhale, the arms open, and on the exhale, gathering energy and storing it in the heart region of the body. This beautiful flow is designed to open the heart and start to tonify the lung energy, to create space for a deeper breath in preparation for a long, beautiful sleep full of amazing, awesome sauce dreams. Inhale. Inhale, opening the heart, arching the spine, and on the exhale, drawing energy inwards. Basking in this illumination, in this vibration that's awakening, this tonifying of the lungs and this filling of the heart of fresh, clean, beautiful energy. Sweeping the arms overhead, and on the exhale, dropping the arms parallel to the earth, wherever you are. In my case, sitting on the beach. Limp wrists, soft elbows, soft shoulders. Dragon returns to the mountain. Beautiful seated posture to just bask in this illumination, this glow, this vibration that is taking place. Inhale, growing tall, and exhale, just noticing what you're feeling and celebrating stillness with deep breathing through the nose on the inhale and out through the nose on the exhale. This beautiful tonifying of the Qi that you're inviting in. Turning the palms to face the heart, mountains moves in the mist. On an inhale, twisting out into your right, inhaling into the twist to gather energy, and on the exhale, drawing that energy towards the heart. Inhale, twist to the left, breathing with your eyes over the shoulder, and exhale, drawing that energy in towards the heart and pausing. Inhale to the right, exhale, draw in. Inhale to the left, exhale, draw to the heart. Closing the eyes and inhaling into the twist, growing tall, and on the exhale, gathering that energy and bringing it into heart center. Side to side, just enjoying this beautiful, beautiful slow flow. This opportunity to wring out the spine, to cleanse and let go of stagnation that built up in the vertebra, to gather energy to store into the heart and the lungs. Mountain moving through the mist. Slow, mystical, beautiful, energizing, and frickin' awesome. With palms in front of the heart, a seated expression of embracing the tree. An opportunity to again bask in this illumination, this celebration of being alive here, where you are. transitioning into gazing at the moon, extending your right arm, bringing your left arm just over the head, that middle finger dangling just off the skull, your right palm facing up to the sky. Soften the elbows, the wrists. And the visualization here is breathing into the space between the hands. White, peaceful, tranquil moonlight as you wrap your arms around the shape of the moon. Inhale, staying tall through the spine, and on the exhale, just softening into this seated shape. An opportunity to invite this Zen-like quality and state of being into the seat. Breathing into the neck and the shoulders. That top finger resting just over the head, stimulating brain qi, this clearing of the mind, this invitation of fresh, positive thinking, this letting go of busy thoughts. Inhale up through center, and on the exhale, let's set up for the other side. Extending your left arm out to the side world, palm faces up, and your right hand, middle finger just over the skull. Eyes closed, soft neck and shoulders. Just starting to enjoy breath. Arms wrapping around the moon and celebrating this peaceful, tranquil energy in preparation for a deep, beautiful sleep. Noticing sensation. Basking in this present moment, a state of awesomeness as we inhale the arms over the head, and on the exhale, dropping the hands through prayer. Breathing into the thumbs with a gentle exhale through the nose. Taking this opportunity to again bring a slight lifting of the corner of the lips. And it's from this peaceful state that we prepare to journey into a deep sleep. This relaxed state. And this flow, not only meant to be designed for only evening practice, can be done anywhere when you need an injection of chill and calm and deep zen. To let go of some of that stuff, that crap that might have snuck into your day. More breaths here. Now, wherever you are, just basking in this beautiful opportunity to dedicate some time to breath. Time to take this beautiful, peaceful state, this way, this calm, this awesome, into the rest of your evening, the rest of your day, from wherever you are. And a nice opportunity to share this sense of awesomeness. Stacking the palms, monk holds a pearl, starting, finishing here. Again, drawing a little extra energy through that triangle shape in the thumbs, storing into the lower danchen. And as you feel this gentle recharging, re-energizing, we get ready to rock a shaka. Thanks for coming along for the journey, gang. Enjoy your sleep, sweet dreams. You are awesome. We are awesome. Big G, baby. The art of effortless power.